Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about top 10 biggest cruise ships in the world. Cruise ships are getting bigger and bigger, and by the time a new world's large cruise ship is built, an even bigger ship is already being planned. Cruise Hive looks at the top 10 biggest cruise ships in the world by ship size and weight, not by passenger capacity. This list is also changing as new vessels enter service, so hopefully we will be able to keep up with all the new mega ships that are currently on order. So what's the largest cruise ship in the world right now? It's currently Royal Caribbean Symphony of the Seas, and she is said to remain number one for many years to come. There are new ships that will come near and enter into the 20,000 gross ton club, such as MSC's new world-class ships, Royal Caribbean's own Icon class ships, and Genting's Global class. Number 1. Symphony of the Seas. Symphony of the Seas is the fourth Oasis class and 25th cruise ship from Royal Caribbean and is slightly larger than her sister ships, making her the world's biggest cruise ship. Symphony of the Seas was built at the then named STX France shipyard and was delivered to the cruise line on March 23, 2018. The vessel departed on its first one-time special preview sailing on March 31, 2018. The first official maiden voyage departed on April 7, 2018 on a 7-night Mediterranean voyage from Barcelona, Spain. Symphony of the Seas is based from Port Miami, Florida from November 10, 2018. Symphony of the Seas stats. Cruise line is Royal Caribbean. Entered service is March 2018. Gross tonnage is 228,081. Length is 1,188 feet. Passengers capacity 5,518. And the crew is 2,100. Number 2. Harmony of the Seas. Harmony of the Seas overtakes the other Oasis class ships just slightly, making her the second largest cruise ship in the world. The vessel is the first of two new orders from STX France to expand the large class ships to 4. Harmony of the Seas features the 10-story Ultimate Abyss slide, which is located at the aft above the Aqua Theatre. Harmony of the Seas stats. Cruise line is Royal Caribbean. Entered service May 2016. Gross tonnage 227,500. Length is 155.6 feet. Passengers capacity 5,480 and the crew is 2,100. Number 3. Allure of the Seas. This ship is just huge and is the second in the record-breaking Oasis class for Royal Caribbean. Allure of the Seas has 7 distinct neighborhoods and too many dining spaces to count. The vessel is a totally different design to other large ships in the cruise industry and also boasts features like the zipline and the aqua theater. Allure of the Seas stats. Cruise line Royal Caribbean. Entered service is October 2010. Gross tonnage 225,282. Length is 1,187 feet. Passengers capacity 5,400 and the crew is 2,384. Number 4. Oasis of the Seas. This is the ship that helped push the cruise industry to new heights. Oasis of the Seas was the first of its kind when it arrived at the end of 2009. The groundbreaking vessel was built at the STX shipyard in Turku, Finland. Oasis also boasts features like the zipline and the aqua theater. Oasis of the Seas stats. Cruise line is Royal Caribbean. Entered services December 2009. Gross tonnage 2,25,282. Length is 1,186.5 feet. Passengers capacity 5,400. Crew is 2,300. Number 5. Costa Maralda. Costa Maralda is the cruise line's first ever cruise ship powered by liquefied natural gas. She is also the largest vessel ever constructed for the Italian-based cruise operator. The ship was finally delivered from the Meyer Turku shipyard in Finland after a delay on December 5, 2019. Her first regular voyage departed Savona on December 31, 2019. However, there was a special voyage for travel agents that departed Barcelona, Spain on December 18, 2019. Gross tonnage 1,85,000. Length is 337 meters. Passengers capacity 6,600. Crew is 1,500 and the guest cabin is 2,600. Number 6. Pno Iona. British-based Pno Cruises took delivery of its largest ever cruise ship and first to be powered by liquefied natural gas in October 2020. This came after delays due to the global pandemic and the impact on the shipyard. Even though Iona has been delivered, she is spending many months on hold as the cruise industry has suspended operations including Pno Cruises. The vessel is based out of Southampton, UK. Cruise line Pno Cruises entered service 2020. Gross tonnage 1,84,700. Length is 344 meters. Passengers capacity 5,200. Crew 1,800 and the guest decks 15. Number 7. AIDA Nova. The cruise ship, which is operated by German-based AIDA Cruises, is the very first new generation class ordered by parent company Carnival Corporation. AIDA Nova entered service in December 2018 and has taken the cruise line into a new era of cruise ship design. The ship is fully powered by liquefied natural gas and built at the popular Meyer Werft shipyard in Papenburg, Germany. Sister cruise lines including Carnival Cruise Line, Costa Cruises and Pno Cruises all have similar class ships. AIDA Nova stats. Cruise line AIDA Cruises entered service December 2018. Gross tonnage 1,83,900. Length is 337 meters. Passengers capacity 6,600 and the crew is 1,500. Number 8. MSC Grandiosa and MSC Vicious. MSC Grandiosa and MSC Vicious are both part of the huge Miraglia class, making them jointly the 9th biggest cruise ships in the world. MSC Vicious was delivered on February 1, 2021 and is set to begin cruising in the Mediterranean in April 2021. She features the world's first humanoid robotic partner at sea. The ship is the first Miraglia Plus class and was built at the Chantiers des Atlantiques shipyard in France and delivered at the end of October 2019. She was christened in Hamburg, Germany, and has been sailing since November 10, 2019, excluding the 2020 industry shutdown. Cruise line MSC Cruises. MSC Grandiosa entered services November 2019. MSC Vicious entered services Feb 2021. Gross tonnage 1,81,541. Length is 331 meters. Passengers capacity 6,334 and the crew is 1,704. Number 9. Mardi Gras. Mardi Gras is the first XL class ship in the fleet and takes Carnival Cruise Line into the LNG era. The cruise line took virtual delivery from the Meyer Turku shipyard in Finland in December 2020 after several delays. She brings one of the most anticipated new features in years to the industry, the Bolt roller coaster. The first roller coaster at sea is just one of many new features included across 6 themed zones. Mardi Gras is currently scheduled to debut on April 24, 2021 out of Carnival's new Terminal 3 at Port Canaveral, Florida. She was originally scheduled to debut at the end of August 2020, but the pandemic hit and we know all the rest. Mardi Gras stats. Cruise line. Carnival Cruise Line entered service December 2020. Gross tonnage 1,80,800. Length is 1,130 feet. Passengers capacity 5,282. Crew is 1,735 and the guest decks is 15. Number 10. MSC Miraglia and MSC Bellissima. Both ships are identical, so coming together as the 6th largest cruise ships in the world. MSC Miraglia joined the fleet in June 2017 and is the first in the class. One of the biggest highlights on both vessels is the large LED roof display along the promenade. MSC Bellissima, which arrived in 2019, also boasts the first AI device in the industry in every stateroom. MSC Miraglia and Bellissima stats. Cruise line MSC Cruises entered service. MSC Miraglia is June 2018 and MSC Bellissima is March 2019. Gross tonnage 1,71,598. Length is 316 meters. Passengers capacity 4,000. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more interesting videos.